Hi guys, today we're going to show you a really easy way to wrap a wedding gift. Here's what you'll need: a wrapped gift, tape, scissors, glitter tape, a bow, and wrapping paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your wrapped gift and flip it over. Now we're going to measure our glitter tape to go around the gift. And this is a really easy cheat, so you don't have to tie ribbon and you don't have to deal with it being like uneven underneath the gift. So we're going to snip it right there. And then this glitter tape, we're gonna peel. So what we're gonna do is then now we're going to attach it to the gift, keeping it even across the front and attaching it to the back. Now we're gonna go the other way, measuring it out, going around the gift, cut it. And then we'll apply our second piece of the tape right along the middle, wrapping it around the front. And then we're gonna finish it all off with a really cute bow. So it's super glittery, nice and fun. And there you have it, a super cute way to wrap a wedding gift that didn't take a lot of time or effort, has a really nice result. So thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel for more, and from all of us at American Greetings, happy wrapping.